Hey, so I have been seeing this dress all over Pinterest, and I'm sure you guys have seen it. See, there's another one, and then I also saw this one, and then what else? I saw a really cute one, like way down. Oh, there it is. This one is my favorite look so far. I think that's really cute. I don't know who these people are, but they have nice clothes. And I've been seeing this little like mini plaid dress all over Pinterest, and like girls will wear it with like a long sleeve underneath, and I think it's really cute. So I think that's what today's project is gonna be. I'm just gonna try and make this really cute like mini plaid dress. So I'm just gonna go to Joann's and get some of this fabric, and then we will get started.
Alright guys, so the first thing that I did to make this dress was use some design tape to mark out my design onto my dress form. After that, I took my fabric and draped the dress design. Once I finished that, I took the fabric off and, folding it over, traced all the darts and the seam lines onto both sides of the dress. I sewed all of the darts closed. Then I finished the neckline and the hem. I installed a zipper on one side and sewed the other side closed. The last step was creating straps. To do this, I cut a 1-inch piece of fabric, folded in the raw edges, and sewed it closed. Then I attached the straps onto the dress, and I was done. So here is the finished dress.
Guys, so that is all that I have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like it down below. Also, if you guys want to watch more of my videos by clicking right here to subscribe to my channel, I put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, so go ahead and click right there to see more of those. And then when you're done with that, you can click right here to watch the last video that I made, and I will see you guys on Friday for a new one. Bye!